it up now, man. Don't give it.
Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up.
Here's how the story goes, we find out by the treasure in the Grand Line, there's no doubt. The pirate whose eye is on it, he'll sing, I'll be king of the pirates, I'm gonna be king.
Yayo, 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 ho ho.
His name is Luffy.
That's Monkey D.
Gonna be
Luffy.
king of the pirates.
He's made a rubber.
How did that happen?
Yo ho ho, he took a bite of gum gum.
Yayo, yayo.
His name's Zolo, he's just like a samurai and a L-A-D-Y, Nami's not shy. The pirate crew coming through doing their thing with the king of the pirates, he's gonna be king.
Yayo, yayo, yayo.